Thank you for purchasing Fenstermann bottom-up top-down blinds and shades. For the installation you will need a power drill and a screwdriver. Please take your shade and the mounting parts out of the clear box and place everything onto a clean surface. Take the small squared silver mounting bases and install them to your trim or wall. You might need to pre-drill or use anchors to fasten them. Install one at a time in each corner of your window. Make sure the wings of the mounting bases face up and are parallel to the window. Now take your shade and get it ready for the installation. Pull the mounting shoes out of the rails and unwind the cord on both sides. Untangle them if necessary. The mounting shoes with the magnet go on the top. Hang both top mounting shoes first by sliding them over the metal bases. Make sure that the adapters for the handles are facing towards you. Now repeat this step at the bottom of your window. The last mounting shoe needs some pulling to create the required tension for the shade to work. Now take your handle and slide them from the side over the adapters. This might require some wiggling to slide them on. Last but not least, move your shade gently up and down to allow the cords to automatically adjust to the proper tension. If everything looks and works great, you can cut the loose ends of the strings on each mounting shoe. Your shade is now ready to enjoy for many years to come.